Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick, and today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Acura RDX. This is a brand new redesign. This is the base model we're going to be going over today. It has the availability of front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. The first thing you'll notice is Acura went to the new Diamond Pentagon front grille with the 7-tier dual-eye LED headlights. Coming over here, you have the 19-inch alloy wheels. Inside the turn signals are going to be built into the mirrors for you. The mirrors do collapse inside and outside for you. It does have this nice chrome finish on the doors. On the door, it does have the keyless entry system. When you put your door handle hand inside the door, it'll unlock the door. Right here will lock the doors to make it easy for you, as long as the key is with you. Even the passenger seat gets the multi-way functioning as well as lumbar support. There is 2 speakers inside the doors to give you better surround sound system. Coming into the back, you do have 2 air vents, so even the back occupants don't have to struggle with getting less airflow. Coming to the back, you will notice that this has one of our many accessories that are available to you, which is our trailer hitch. This vehicle does have the one-touch power liftgate. You just press the button, it does open up the liftgate for you. One great feature about the new 19 RDX is the adjustable memory liftgate. I can lift this liftgate as high as I want or as low as I want, hold the button in, wait for it to beep. As soon as it does that, this now programs it for this height all the time. Coming over here, you have a beautiful storage center. With the RDX, they wanted to maximize storage for you. So this will lift up over here. Then this one will open up as well. You also have your spare tire jack and everything right here. And then you crank down the tire, which is located right underneath here. You also have quick releases to make it easier if you have large cargo to release, to make a nice clear pass through. One touch again, just to release it to come down. Coming over here, speaking of one touch, to get into the gas can, you don't have to go in and press any buttons. As long as the doors are unlocked, you just push, it'll lift open. If the door is locked, this will not push open. You also can read right here that it's 91 recommended, but you can use regular gasoline if you wanted to. The 19 RDX, this is where you're going to spend the majority of your time inside the driver's seat. Let's go take a look to see what the driver's seat has to offer. First thing you'll notice is a power liftgate button right here, just in case you wanted to load anything in. You have your dual memory seats. All of your power controls are right here. The new for 19 is going to be the standard Acura Watch features. This right here is your road departure mitigation, your traction control, your collision mitigation braking system, as well as brake hold, and your one-touch electronic parking brake. The vehicle also comes with automatic headlights and automatic high beams. So you don't have to worry about turning your high beams on and off when you're in those dark road areas. On the steering wheel, you have all of your volume controls, your power control to control the radio system, your volume and stereo controls, as well as your talk button, back button, and apps button. The apps button will display multiple different things, such as AM, FM, XM, to make it all visible right here, so you don't have to focus on the screen here. The talk button, which is fantastic, all you do is press this button here, and you can speak to the radio. You can speak to the software system to change the radio station, so you don't have to touch anything over here. You can just focus on driving. Right over here, you have your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control, and then this right here is multiple different memory displays are right here. The vehicle also does come with paddle shifters. It is push button start. We're going to talk about right here, this is going to be your infotainment system, where you have your phone, FM radio, Bluetooth, your regular settings, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is coming in 2019, Sirius XM radio, and if you have any system updates or messages. And then you can just swipe to go to another page if you're looking for additional apps, and you can add things to the home menu as well, such as favorite radio stations. Then you have right here is how to power shift through the gears. It is a 10-speed transmission. You have your dynamic mode. Dynamic mode, there's 4 different modes. You have snow, comfort, sport, and sport plus. You have all of your heating and air conditioning controls right here. It is a dual climate control. You have your dual heated seats as well. If you wanted to change the radio stations easily without using the voice commands or using the touchpad, you can just touch this right here. You have your hazard lights right here, 3 garage door openers, as well as you have AcuraLink. AcuraLink is fantastic. And then the big thing about for 2019 is the panoramic double vista roof. I thank you guys for watching and have a great day.